Hi everyone, welcome. Today we will talk about crypto trading bot or arbitrage bot or MEV bot. So keep in mind there is no on-chain bot that will give you a profit like buying and selling tokens. So bots available but not for free and not any public codes here. If you find some videos on YouTube and go through the guidelines, they will give you a contract address like here on the GitHub repo, like trading bots and bot.sol. This is the contract. Actually, this is the scam contract. It's not a working contract, it's hard coded. I copy this contract and deploy it, and I test it. uh, uh, I send one ETH testing ETH in this contract and start the this trading. So I can see in the transaction, so it's transfer funds from my smart contract to this address. So I go and check the details of this address. So on the BSC scan, this wallet don't have enough ETH right now but have some USDT. If you can see, have multi-chains info, means this uh, people deploying on BSC, ETH, base, any EVM chain. So they are targeting or innocent peoples to get the funds. So please keep in mind, there is no free trading bots on YouTube or GitHub. So you have to buy a professional uh, blockchain developer for trading bots. And also you can get this kind of code, like if you want to hard code your wallet address in this type of bots. So we also can you can contact us on Telegram. And also I can see here uh, the summary of this contract. So let me this is 100% fund loss, no league time trading, funds are immediately stolen, okay, no recovery, and it's hard coded and look too complex. It's totally scam contract. So don't run these types of contracts if you get for free.